Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ron's Weight Loss Journey, and I'm Ron. If you're a returning member to my community, welcome back. And if you're a new member or want to be a member, welcome. And also, if you're a new member, please feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it helps my members that are already a member on my YouTube channel to know when I got a latest video. So we're just a little bit late today in posting this video. Today is April 1st and happy April Fool's Day. And so I just wanted to go over some things we did for this past month and how we did. So on March 1st, we started my weight loss journey at 264 pounds, 264.6 pounds. And I had a terrific month. So at today's weigh-in, I weighed in for the first of the month because I weigh myself typically I weigh myself Monday or Sunday to Monday or Monday to Monday, depending on when I post videos. I usually like to do it Monday to Monday. And so I weighed myself this morning on April 1st, 2021. As of this morning, I'm down to 250.1 pounds. I am so happy and so ecstatic. I lost 14 pounds for the month. So what do we do to achieve this? Well, first of all, I want to just make a couple of things before I go ahead and go forward with this. I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. I've done all my research. I cleared everything with my own personal doctor, and I don't take shakes or diet pills or anything like that. I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. I'm working hard at it. I'm working hard at my goals. Now, on August 17, 2020, I was 325 pounds at the age of 64, and I was in a terrible place with my back and everything, and I made one of the most important decisions of my life, next to becoming born again faith with God and Jesus, and getting back into my faith again. And I decided at that point in my life, I was seeking out the Lord, and I kept saying, "Oh, there's got to be a better way than surgery." And we discussed many plans with my primary care doctor, and we were going to do weight loss surgery, and I decided, no, there's got to be a better way. And so we decided to do a ketogenic lifestyle, and this is a lifestyle that I'm going to be doing the rest of my life. And even when I'm on maintenance, I'm still going to do the ketogenic lifestyle because it's literally saving my life. And I love bread. Who doesn't love bread? And that was in carbs, and that was always my problem over the years. And the sugary sodas, and I could go on and on and on with the processed foods. But so, anyways. On March 1st, we weighed in at 264 pounds. As of April 1st, today, we weigh 250.1 pounds. And so now I lost 14 pounds for the month. And I think that's like dynamite. And like Jimmy Walker used to say, dynamite. And so what do we do to achieve the 14 pounds weight loss? Well, we walked and we walked and we walked and we walked. As a matter of fact, we walked 64.5 or something like that miles. I'll put my screenshot up in the timeline. And it was crazy. I wasn't even planning on walking that many miles. And all of a sudden, I'm looking at my my track app, my step tracker. And I'm saying to myself, well, geez, I got 40 miles, and this is a real possibility of going 50. Can I push it out to 60? Can I push it out to 100? And when I realized that I could actually do 100 miles with a piece of cake, I said, oh my gosh. I said, all right, so we're just trying to keep it simple. And whatever the numbers wind up at the end of the month, that's what it is. And I typically do a keto clean, carnivore, and I keep it simple. Simple is the key. For me, you do you, and I weigh all my food. I measure it with the scale. I keep track of my macros, my protein, and my carbs. I had a couple of cheat days along the way, and I beat myself up about it. So what else? We did 3 egg fasts over the course of the month, and actually 2 eggs fasts over the course of the month. And the first one we did 5 days, followed it pretty much to the letter. I lost 9 pounds. That was kind of at the beginning of the month. I think that was kind of like right after St. Patrick's Day when I had some carbs and some potatoes with the corned beef. And so I lost 9 pounds that week. So then towards about a week later, I decided, well, let's try it again. And I could hardly stand an egg at the end during that stretch. And then I did some more searching for egg recipes, and I came across something called Shackles. Oh my gosh, are they ever a game changer for me? So I started in with the Shackles, and I absolutely love them. I even made a recipe, put it up. I did almond flour. You can use coconut flour and baking powder, and you know, I put the link where I found that particular recipe. It was through a YouTuber called the Keto Twins. And there's a great, everybody just basically that are doing keto or not, they're putting shackle recipes up. So you can do your homework. But I found another one through another YouTuber. She put 2 slices of thin sliced cheese on the mini dash waffle maker. One slice of cheese, 1 egg. And after, well, first you waited for the cheese to melt down a little bit and then put the egg mixture on top. And then, another slice of cheese on top of that. Closed the lid, and after 3.5 minutes to 4 minutes, you had perfect small little round sandwich. And she made 2 of them, and she actually made a BLT, and she made a couple of different varieties of those. Now I'm going to be doing many recipes like that with shackle recipes. Now I also did some searching on Amazon, and I get most of my stuff from Amazon, by the way. Kudos for Amazon. And I do shop locally. Walmart's, Target's, Kohl's, many of our favorite stores. And so I found a shackle maker or a mini dash that actually makes them into squares, and you can make 4 at once. And that was $40 for that. So I'm picking up that this month when I get my next check. Now we haven't got our stimulus check yet. I was kind of disappointed about it, but I got all the reports like everybody else. I fall into that category on SSI and SSDI. And so the next batch of checks is scheduled out for the 7th and for the 15th. I'm hoping on Monday, 7th batch of the month. But if not, the 14th works for me because I get my regular check on the 14th. And the 15th, if we get the check, the government check on that, then I'll be able to get everything that I've been wanting to get to make my pop my videos for my YouTube channel. And once that happens, I'm hoping that I can get up there to like 1,000 subscribers, because you see this white wall behind me, a khaki gray color. I'm in my apartment, and today it's like 5:30 in the morning. I got some quiet time. The washroom is quiet right now. It's about 50 degrees outside, so I hope the heat doesn't kick in. But I mean, we have central heating, but so far it's been good. So I'm planning on making a lot of recipes, and so I bought a new bed also this past month. That's been the game changer. I fell asleep around 9 o'clock last night, and I woke up at 5:30 this morning. Actually 5 o'clock this morning. I was really refreshed. I've already had my coffee, and I'm gonna have another one. I was having heartburn with coffee really bad, and so I changed my regular blend coffee to like a light coffee, like almost like a decaf, and it seems to be helping me a lot. So I just had to change it up a little bit. That's all. And so it's going really good. So what else would we do? So my wife wanted to go to this place that we used to when I wasn't doing keto and when I abused my body over the years, to a place called Heber's Candy and a couple of towns over, and they changed names to Colonial Candy. I didn't buy anything. I brought it down here the other day, and I can remember all the times I used to come back here with all kinds of chocolate and everything, and all that stuff got me in trouble over the years. I don't do that stuff anymore. So we did that, and then on the way up, I noticed on the right-hand side of the road there was a place that sells grass-fed beef. So I said, and I've been wanting to get some grass-fed beef other than in the grocery store, because the grocery store prices are outrageous, even for regular ground beef. So I pulled in there, and she gave me all the contact, and so when we get the stimulus check, or the other check first, whichever comes first, the chicken or the egg, I'm going to be making a customized meat order package of all grass-fed beef and chicken and poultry and pork, and they even sell pasteurized eggs there. So I'm going to be getting all my everything there month to month, and that's going to be a game changer for me going forward. Now we're down to 250 pounds for the month of April with what we have for a goal. I haven't been down to the 240 since the early 1970s, so I'm hoping to get, well, I don't hope, and I know I'm going to get down to the 240s. We're going to try to push down to 240 pounds. And I don't know if I talked about this in my other video. I'm going to show you right here. On my left side over here, I get my hand, I've been experiencing a lot of sharp pain. It's like a darting pain. It's not a constant pain, but like the other day we did a shopping order at a local grocery store. I picked up a small order because I ran out of food, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But as I was walking down the aisle getting ready to cash out, I got a burning sharp pain. I think I might have an infection there with all my loose skin, or either that, it's just my skin tightening up. But the night before that, I had wakened up, I woke up at 1:30 in the morning, and I was in so much pain, I was in tears, and I was in pain all night long. So that was a red flag. And so I called up the nurse that morning, and the pain comes and it goes right now. But that particular night, it kind of like stayed up all night long. And so I made an appointment for this coming Monday to talk to the nurse, and I'm pretty sure they're going to do an ultrasound and an x-ray, and they're going to try to see what's going on with it. Hopefully it's just nothing, but maybe it's just an infection, but I mean, I don't know. I don't want to say what it is and what I think it might be, but hopefully it's just a passing thing. But I don't know if you guys been experiencing any of that, you let me know. And so what do we got going forward for the month of April? I put out a challenge out there if anybody wants to join me in the April challenge. It's basically to get out there and move challenge. We're doing a 50-mile goal. No, in March I never ever did 50 miles in 1 month. And I had a lot of fun. We did our usual place, a lot of downtown walking. So yesterday on the 31st, I texted my friend Mary. I said, her and I have been really great friends since, we've gotten together with the Historical Society. She's one of the members over there and a trustee, and part of it anyways. And so I said, Mary, you want to go walking this morning? And she said, how about going down to the Doyle Estate? So I met her at the society, and we walked almost to the Doyle Estate, but we walked 4 miles up and back. And so I'm walking down to the, almost to the, in the West Street over there, and they had about a half a mile left to go home. So she saw that I was hurting a little bit, so when she got into her car, she swung around and she picked me up and she brought me home. I would have made it, but it just would have taken me an extra half an hour because here's what the problem is, guys. When I'm out doing walking like I did with my friend Mary, I promised her that I wouldn't take any photographs. I did take one photograph, and she took a couple of photographs of me, and that was at the 2 mile marker. And so it was pretty funny, and because I typically like to just dilly-dally and take my time, and if I need to stop, I'll stop. And I don't. She flies, and I can hardly keep up with her. And so I kept saying, well, go ahead. If I feel like I was kind of like holding her down a little bit, holding her up a little bit, because I just like to take my time because I get back issues, okay? And I use my cane for safety. But I did it. Did 4 miles yesterday, and I was really happy. And so when I got home last night, after I made the shuffles again last night, I lay down about maybe 8 o'clock, and I conked out about 8:30, and I woke up this morning at 4:30, 5 o'clock, and I had almost like 10 hours of solid sleep last night, and I feel terrific today. And I'm not hurting today. The walk was a good walk. And so like I said, if you're new to my community, welcome, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a lot of great recipes this coming month, and just bear with me on the recipes because I never filmed any recipes before, and they're going to get, everything's going to get better on this channel. And not that they're not bad now, but this is basically about my journey and where I want to go with this. I'm on a transformation mission to lose 160 pounds. Well, I want to get down to 160 pounds, so I haven't got too much further to go for that. Well, 80 pounds, that's quite a lot, but still. So anyways, I guess that's all I really got to say, but please like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. And be watching for my next video, and I'll be posting some motivation videos in between, and just and I wanted to thank everybody for all the nice comments and the great support I've been getting on all the YouTube channels. Jess from Keto Rewind, and Steffi from the incredible Shrieking Steffi, and her Facebook support group. And all we want to do is just help people to become healthy and keep out there moving with the virus is still out there. You got to stay safe, and you got to go get out there and enjoy yourself. Life is too short these days not to get out there and have fun. And I'm 64 years old, and I just get out there and have fun because I enjoy it, and why not? If I go into a playground area and if I want to play basketball, I may pick up a basketball down there and throw some hoops and go on the swing sets and stuff like that. It's all part of having fun. Just because you're up there in age, it doesn't. You have to get out there and have fun and enjoy yourself, guys. That's what life is all about: having fun, motivate people, get out there. And but I might let you guys go. We have Easter coming up this Sunday, so I wanted to wish everybody a happy Easter and a safe holiday. My wife and I are going to celebrate it quietly. I'm going to be picking up a small ham, and I thought she likes to do potatoes, but I'm going to be doing asparagus and ham and a nice salad. That's all I'm going to have this Easter. Keeping it very, very simple for myself and for my wife. And I don't want to overindulge because I have too much at stake here. It's called my health. And so I just want to say thanks again for watching the video. Remember, you guys are amazing and the best. And have a good week. And I will talk to you again on Monday. And be watching for that video. And so like I said, we're 33 coming up. We're still on week 32. We'll be coming up on week 33, and for Monday's video, and we're coming up pretty close to the end of week 32. So we started the month at 264. We ended at 250.1, and we're having a great month. And we hope to continue to have a great month going forward, and a lot of success going forward. And I know I will. And if I can do anything to help you guys, my contacts below the information line. Email me, please, because I've been getting a lot of people wanting to be friends with me. And then every now and then I'll get a pop-up and like, hi, honey, and how you doing, that type of thing. I don't play those games. And if you're a hacker, forget it, because I change my passwords periodically. And so anyways, I'm just going to let you guys go. This is Ron. Remember, you guys are always amazing.